Life Cell of a Softball Team by Jacina, Jason, Aaron, and Madeline. Centrioles. The function of the centrioles. Organizing chromosomes helps with the process of mitosis and meiosis, major microtubule organizing centers of the cell. We compared the centrioles to softball coach. Softball coaches organize, instructs, trains, and leads the team. They evaluate the players' skills, organizing batting order, and form strategy to optimize the team's chances to win. The coach also recruits players to build the possible team to compete. The nucleus. The function of the nucleus regulates cell activity, stores genetic material, most prominent structure in the eukaryotic cell. We compared the nucleus to the team captain. The team captain is the leader. She regulates her team's activity. The captain is in charge of holding the team's roster and playbook. The cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton, composed of microtubule, supports and provides cell shape. It also aids movement of materials in and out of the cell. We compared the cytoskeleton to a softball diamond. The diamond is the dimensions of the field. It provides lines to show the territory, fair and foul. Mitochondria. The mitochondria's function is the powerhouse. Second largest organelle with unique genetic structure, converts substrates to ATP, which is energy. We compared the mitochondria to the catcher. The catcher is one of the most prominent players on the field. She can see the whole field, so she can yell last minute plays and motivates the pitcher. Only player with equipment, which shows her unique structure. The catcher's job is to deliver signs to the pitcher to optimize the team's chances to win. The Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is the packaging plant. A membrane structure found near the nucleus and is composed of numerous layers forming a sac. We compared the Golgi apparatus to the outfielders. There are 3 or 4 positions: right field, center, rover, which is an optional player, and left center. These positions attempt to catch balls that are hit into the respective areas in the outfield. They collect, clean up the balls that make it past the infield and deliver them back into play to prevent the opposing team from scoring. Lysosomes. The lysosomes are the garbage disposal. Cells break down if lysosomes explode. Transport undigested materials to cell membrane for removal. The lysosome is the cleanup batter. The cleanup's job is to clear the bases, so hit a home run or a grand slam, which means if all the bases are loaded, they'll hit 4 runs in, making their team score. They are the most powerful hitter on the team. Softball is a game of defense, and if this offense position cannot perform, their team may not score. The plasma membrane. Outer membrane of the cell that controls cellular traffic. Contains proteins that span through the membrane and allows passage of materials. We compared the plasma membrane to an umpire. The umpire calls the shots. They are in charge of calling strikes and balls, safe or out. They control what players stay in or out of the game. The nucleolus. function, produces ribosomes in eukaryotic cells, regulates cellular functions, and consists of chromosomes, which is strands of tightly knitted DNA. We compared the nucleolus to the shortstop. The shortstop is the most difficult position. They regulate the plays and helps with the calls of plays to get an out. They get hit the hardest balls and they have to stop them from going into the outfield. In summary, softball teams are tightly knit units that operate together for a final goal. Organelles work together to carry out the cell functions until apoptosis.